everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 597 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Santee Ultra Soft Eyeliner that I got in the shade number 1, which is the white color. And so I got this from shopmissa, so it was only $1 and it's cruelty free. Okay, I just struggled to get that plastic off, but now that I did, it's actually pretty cute packaging. It's matte black, which I feel like gives it more of a high-end feel. But so, let me go ahead and swatch this. Kind of like a mix between a silver and a white. It's kind of like a shimmery metallic white. So a really pretty color, and it has really creamy texture, which I like for a pencil. So it is the type of pencil that you need to sharpen. But so not too long ago, I tried out the LA Colors nude eyeliner because I wanted to find an eyeliner that would go in the waterline and brighten up the eye. And that LA Colors one did not work very well for me. So I'm hoping that this will give that waterline kind of brightening effect to the eye. This is supposed to be long lasting, so I'm just gonna go for it and see how it does in the waterline to start. It's kind of showing up, but barely. It's really not doing what I was hoping it would do. It's only like the slightest little tint of color on my waterline, so the pigment is not really showing up there. But let's see, I'm gonna try lining my upper lash line. That doesn't really show up at all either. This is the Ultra Soft Eyeliner, and it really is soft, and it's like a creamy glides-on texture. It just has like no pigment to it. I can't even use this as like a eyeshadow stick or anything. It's kind of pointless. Oh man. I thought this would be my solution to that white or nude eyeliner that I've been looking for, but this is, I feel like, just as bad as that LA Colors one that I tried out. Yeah, this has no pigment. It's really not showing up, so that is such a bummer. At least with that LA Colors pencil, I was able to use it as like an outline for the brows or find another use for it. But with this, since it's kind of like a white silver with little to no pigment, I don't even know what use I'm gonna have for this. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments down below. But I haven't had a product that is this much of a dud in a while. And just yesterday, I tried out a Santee product that I really liked. So I have a lot of good luck with Santee makeup products, but this one, not so much. Maybe in a different color it would be better, but even still, I don't even know if I want to try because just the pigment wasn't even that great. It's not just the color that didn't really work for me. For an eyeliner, I would expect full pigment. But oh well, I guess my search continues for that white or nude eyeliner that goes in the waterline. I've heard that ColourPop makes some good ones, so maybe I'll try those out. But if you have any other recommendations, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.